Hi, my name's Gavin. I've just completed a 3-month program with Janine. Why did I start the program? Well, stresses at work, wasn't sleeping, poor decision making, not much time to spend with the family, and spare time for myself. My wife had met Janine through a networking event and suggested I try it. So I signed for a 3-month program. I must admit I was a little bit skeptical at the start. Thought, like all men, why do you need help? You can cope. But actually, it's been quite transformational for me. I must admit that the end result has been much more relaxed, much more easier decision making. I've enjoyed work more. I find more free time, and definitely sleeping well. I would say that the initial visit, if you've not had any sort of help like this, is a little bit strange because you don't really like opening up about pressures in your life. But I must say that I actually started to really look forward to the visit, and in the end, it was good fun. And I can thoroughly recommend, if you're thinking about signing up for her program for 3 months, that you won't be disappointed, and hopefully, like me, had a great result. So thanks, Janine. Thanks very much.